te dana si dana si da oya be dana si dana si dana si da oya be dana si ebreza oh yeah dana do sumaya dana si da oya be ebreza oh yeah ebreza oh yeah dana do sumaya dana si da oya be
To sing a man for part. Was in go for mu here mu ho
why not to say
biarani
wo to me mo why not to say no biarani wasum dey mo why not to say no why not is a no, why not is a
I do want a 6.3 in Pachoba Modiana pet garlic guho. Metro Wadibi, Cope garlic. Na a srusan, and then getting Kitimino. Aha, pe garlic, pe srusa, na pe akokɔ mesa kɔpɛ bi tieni garlic asuru wusa akokɔ mesa na pepper kese ka ho kama fagu ho wo de ni na no ho a pe bibi kama na fagum si fani na gu ade ba akom na menkata so wo de fasi ho nyame ya adom a ekina mpesa wo pesa ne mani nyina si ho prekoma me garlic wutie ni garlic akokɔ mesa ye kakaduro ena afei prekese wo de pebi sa ne ma nan pe ayana udru China ne Japan ho na omo yesa combination ya omo de bitter leaf ka ho minim so obetimi ayana eno be ka ma ne yenwono but so obetimi dia tete bitter leaf de bi na fa guso na fe just ho wo de hohoro ho kama obetimi dia she fridge mu se de bia baby out se bia mfuturo ho ne ade a wo de fani na fa bomba ko so obekyekyere ni na wo de begu ade mu a fa gu ade mu na fa she fridge mu si ho mame ekira ye yawada efiri yawada ekodo mekire wade a wo de be ye minya cold na me starting ya me bebre na me frɛ we na me frɛ China na me frɛ ha na me yese hu say se na ye na ya na ye pese ye yare so what you say on say why na ye bibia ba say we vaccine wo wa yare we wunya we ye vaccine wo wa yare we bi ba kura wunya bi we ye vaccine ye be ye vaccine wo de nyabotre nyabotre panti pe garlic pe kakaduro pe akokɔ mesa na afei pe prekese na se obetimi a wo de enwuno de abate ye benom tifa bitter leaf ne ka ho na fagu ho ye no a 3 weeks de bia meka sa asem kro no sa 3 weeks na afei ye fie no a ye be kɔ bitter leaf any guava ni leaf de be ye bibi na afei yetime ho ndro na eba do bebre ho a ranum kɔ ba bi ne ma medro bi na me de kɔ medicines bi a oye pharmacy so say ha kwadwo nam say yes mo say nka ibekun nam say me kwa me tio cold nam say pese contem na metumi aye adwuma o say ha anka ye ke ibekun am say sa say ho nam say na me akra no sa ya na me frefre me frɛ China kakra ne ade ye keka leaves sisi ani na mabaka ma timpacho pekakaduro garlic akokɔ mesa ene prekese nyama fo we pegu ho mame na fa bitter leaf ka ho 5 ho kama na fa si ho mame why ye be adwuma papa pacho we Nestle Carnation milk papa ezo tranfita and one ye de kro what I say bomodia Carnation milk de bibia ye de milk di bia no bomodia we ya nwa mokura to me de milk gum anwa mokura betumi de milk gwani na de mbeko na fra de papa just num den de sao anwa mo no mbeko ro na atobo de milk na wono ne de the papa menfendi agro Carnation milk makes a difference. Roma insecticide spray and coil and so spray ni kumontonton ntum wan ntefani mpruka ne mo aka ni nyina no na ebema dem ho so atibia yehwam na fei wuti nya wo ya na kata bia so ntimi enche coil nso empugusi enso be kumontonton na sa de bia meka cho se wiase de otowa pa de papa because ade papa na sell enti pa de pa na ho ntimi nton Roma insecticide spray and coil no Tonton Master. It's another quality product from Samara Company Limited. Bella ointment dear your friend is sementia ebesi afie bia mu na sese bi ho wo bagana na wo kwa bruchira to bi ko wo ba no waja de wa bruchira si ho na wa bagana ha na wa betofoforo ehia pa ehia and ehia o eye pa ekro ayam anentema propro wudware we kura ote sent wo ho patron wohia Bella ointment honamani yade na Bella ointment ade bia etete wo honamani bia no Bella ointment empese me ye research na me hwese betumi ma pempamafu a miguso ye no ahwe ba sese pass wo yi wa bodwo makacha ye wase me de Bella ointment be na bodwo no wo de ya kama pa bibia no first na ma bodwo keka bia mtiti se ya na bombs na ba enso Bella ointment na wo de frame a god in the no desra God is saying, "Come on, Bella, or that catch James on your crank would be between the same." Waji Bella not to papa. It's Mr. We hear Bella ointment. Repart Ventures and Kens Walker Wakanshi, Jeff Herbal Shop, Woman Casimena, Hillside Pharmacy, one Coco, Delight Pharmacy, Gapsin Pharmacy, Okofodiana Faye, Kus Pharmacy, Shaman. It's being distributed and marketed by Quick Pharma Limited. From 020-022-8040. Bella Ointment, beautiful skin, beautiful family. A very warmly good morning to you, Honorable Dr. Kwame Adokofo. Overnight say, I feel. Everybody ya cool man ho. I feel come up. But you have to momo me. Momo ni ya say.
Star 170.
Star 170. Simple hash.
And they have no follow process.
No follow process no. Simple. But momo me why? Me register ya beba. Token. Phone microphone. Na church na me che no manya bi mama.
Me register.
Who register? To mo fanfa wo do man so. In fact, umumunyi bi enye hwe. Umumunyi bonoma dey. Bonoma no. Eno ya yi number nya me dia.
Ti mumu ne mre me nka so bi friend. Se
wo de
mumu ne ma. Ban mi so. Na mumu. Ba emo.
Membo.
Police ask me.
There be membo. Me akrabi mambo. Why? Hey, mobia.
Star 170. Momo no dey simple. Star 170 hash.
No follow process.
What I say? So when you ya o dey.
Obetwe the check as myself famre.
Front desk say ya.
Obetwe the check as.
And so mumu. Obetwe just send an email.
Any work.
And the board there. There be more. Mumadum FM there the radio anya buo. Obi atimi gire na otobo no bi ba park no so pass na. Here and here kro. Yes, I need you. Any free sa na ekọ baby. But say MTN did 10 years. And say you momo at 10. We are all in the spirit of celebration. Mr. Ghana Bashega Cameroon. We need Saturday no. Papa. Say no. Bosumi Junior woman yensi. 200% bonus on every momo recharge from your own wallet. Bonus no so valid for 7 days. Under also by dial star 170 hash to access your Momo menu today. To waiting for you everywhere you go. But you never also by starting 8:10. Why? Nancy Anna, you check a cry. Yeah, say pressure by so. Load no super. Load no song. And if I mean 0302 216 561 216 562 0302 216 561 216 562. And so be the birthday. We can tell na for you and your but happy birthday in comma Evelyn Ama Usuka. Multimedia in our client service manager. Oh yeah, dear pa. Also, say your cost living cost. Oh yeah, Kito. Auntie, okay. No car na demand not my car na or repicado. Car no sama maka. Amaka. Happy birthday, sweet sister. Hello, good morning.
Hello, good morning, Captain.
Let's say.
Patonya mi Adom ho ye. But if I me Betty, Ashama Lebanon.
Ashama Lebanon, okay.
Me patwai. Na my friend sa mi nyo na mi wo birthday wishes be me man 9 omnyina ye. June 4 na mi na ba ko. Iti me start e fi mi na no so e be belated. Na me adi bebe na me to nka mi hu de me nya mi humpo. Iti me na ye fe no Ramla Obin Cosmat. Oko school Agape International School Lebanon. And the Babema Bakope. Lawrence Nanaya Opo Amwakum or Podnoni. And Lillian Tech or Germany. I'm so hearing. And 29 June year me Babaku. Oko school Quadaso Nursing. Sandra Obia Manfo. And Roberta Mamlete on a Sokofodia on the 30th of June. It's in the Radiasi Paramomo. Many and many are discussing. Yamisha, okay. I love you, eh?
I love you too, sweet mom.
I could see a say, and then you feel baby. Baby. Me pa to me how kitwe bi say. Me sre kwata so SDA nursing. Say first year student from bebe enti om ka be free September nti esro I am hwe ye bibi my. That's the baby. I love you, baby. Bye bye.
Bye bye. Happy birthday, come, Mami Georgina on Henny Jan or Elubo. Obi, and I mammy no, Tina, mammy no. Ma Georgina on Henny Jan, happy birthday. Yaminka, Woma, Wunya Kakraka. And be Rabuma Baba could be say crank in your bado. Abraham's all grammatic and ma happy birthday. Yamin shall not on my winning in your fat or mo and quatentia or ding, na pubu ding a womb. Why? Hello, well, went to be engine so young friendship nafi. Hello, morning.
Capital.
Yay.
Good morning.
Good morning.
Good morning.
Good morning.
Capital is a many years. 5 years in me. And then Yami Mamma, yeah, Manda.
Wow.
I know one to one car on to school.
Hey, oh, hey.
Mama, my late. You're Jimmy Line, also far. Enjoy her.
Mamma and Casa. Hello, good morning. Hello. How are you? Oh, you are fine. I am also fine. Happy birthday.
Thank you.
Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you.
My name is Daniela.
Okay. Let me talk to mommy.
Capital.
See you, sister.
Me say, and then many judge won't.
Sir?
Many judge. What are the one and listen to me say, Kim?
Well, why are you saying Tom said him?
You talk about.
Yeah, but what time is it? Worry. We are bad pa. What time is it? Amen. Amen.
Me God the buy ye nara. Amen. Amen.
Amen.
Amen. Make sure me banana me nya Capital.
Ubepema o. Ubepema o.
Me what girls.
Ubepema papa. Yeah, your friend is saying he didn't meet Daniela Biana.
Oh, the Danielia.
Danielia, okay.
Danielia na de daftete.
Na de
daftete.
Daftete. What a beautiful name. When you're 5 years, well,
but I know when you're 5 years. Now, also one can non go school.
Oh, catch and so on. Coba to chocolate natural me didn't go at man, mommy. Why?
Martin, but also any more a rock star. Anything rock star.
Anything rock star. Oh,
Kwame Eugene. You only have to better rock star, and I come up on you. No.
Aye. Catch and say, well, boy, be 9 years or hunter, no so train, woman in Mra.
What the Capital?
All right. Hello. Yeah. Bibi, I'm fine. Mempa would do me call me. Mempa would do me call me. Hey, Jaisa. Oh, free. Oh, free. Me catch yourself in power would be call. Hello.
Good morning.
Yes, good morning.
I just want to wish Amaka happy birthday.
How lovely.
Ama. And your birthday. Ama Mitsanya Mishra Mount.
Amen.
Nyankopon sure number ho ban.
Amen.
No ma kwatenten.
Amen.
Say sweetie.
Amen.
Ama Nyankopon sure wo bebre.
Amen.
Why?
Amen.
Within the Faustina from Michelle Camp.
Oh. First
Happy birthday.
I'm a better why.
My sweetheart, Amaka.
Sweetheart in the other film room.
Oh.
Anyway,
She's my sweetheart.
Okay, I tell you.
She is my sweetheart.
Okay.
And on one name, so I am sweetheart. Back up, and
I say it's exactly 8 o'clock on Adom 106.3. Say trouble and tell me any uncle. Over 5 minutes, pet. Over 5 minutes. No interference.
Nana me da se 5 no mpodoso.
5 minutes.
Obi bi sasa na Black Stars no se no enyo performance ntini eni age. Ye ho akwadim. Ye sika na akwadim no doso.
$15 million
eti no ye nya hwe ne de beje ani
$50 million budget ye de ko afcon de doso ye ho akwadim.
Eka nya aba eka ba ya abadeda. Eti no de be ye ani unim se no mo share ball na se no within the first minute no na me se na ye sha why jesi no ti na be ye eti mi hu si abobi sulia abobo afa ne ntem ni atwi obi wo wing ho me say yes mu yes ya ne ani age afa mother say mama ya ne ye sha register aya kola no wan say de ekosoro mani age e ho na mi say de gba Chronicle Democrat anunie na wode abase wo bisa say 215 million Ghana cedis oil money no ewo hin piak na ebisa Ghana ban say yesika bia kodim enti yen hwehwe Ken Ofori-Atta finance minister na asembisai wayi edi amano
Debbie or titi na nado aban no as obi am person be ka kire no
onidia na obi abo
or titi na nado aban no so nima
not more directors ebo ni din a teacher for obi abo
papa no ha na do mo ka kire no
bono for baby be ufri betamia no wakoja ayobere oti ase ufri betamia no wakoja ayobere oh yeah time the next time we to aso na efre ho ja ayobere ya wo yo na me ye time enti obi ebo odin sa no ene na osise se de obisa se sabotage bi koso ewo EUW anakanda pa na chokrata de akwa Professor Kwesi Yanka esa won share vice chancellor no ensa nsem no mu yie eno so ho Sam Chronicle de amaye na se de nra na nka asa amanfo de ani je tro Black Stars nsem no asa ne me sheda enhu no kesi bia sa Ghanaian Times achi hanom eno se Benin de Ghana 10-man squad na na ye de ne abodro eno na eye the Pele family na wade Ghana agokansie na ekoso no emunsem nyina ababeto Ghanaian Times achi ha enti sede na agokansie no koso hwe sede na amanfo de ani bresi akan na ni nyina the Democrat yi de abana the Democrat find and susunie eno se ECL ton voters data at the private companies ya wo mo raise privacy breach concerns ni nyina ne se wo se electoral commission nipa ho nsam a wo mo kruchire ade agu wo mo nkrata mu na no na ye ka ye data protection asem yes say yisi wa maso no obo ne don komi ton ma companies a wo mo pe Ghana fo ho nsam enti wo se se ba sa ye kokko mo nsam ya ye ni wo mo ewo ho apam no enye no ene wo mu tietia so no ana we ene ensam a wo say auditor general report bi a aba first special audit ya wo mo selected state institutions bi emu no ye no ewo 2018 mu ene wo say asuma sam we beda di ene say sa wo ye adwumakuo na pegana fo ho nsam wo mu din wo mu kira kwan na kokko hunu EC electoral commission adwumakuo na wo mu timi ton de ma wo say private company buy system limited ya eno no wo mo say electoral commission adwumakuo no kokoton Ghana fo din wo mo ho nsam de ma wo mo agi sika edigu sani futuo mu so bi botomu ende ye ntimi hui ho nsam nti na ma apagya say sa obeka say we ye oman ade medin ni me ho nsam kwa kwasie na ebe wie kire ye boni donkomi no eno ho nsam so enie en was zip line omu drone ya aba yesi eno eneso emoja ni nru a eho hia putuprum ene hyew so no yesi asuafo bes wo ha eni dumi ensa bia wo mu nya diarrhea ayamhwie ya de nyame adom ye de enuro ne nneoma na wo mu behia ni putuprum etimi de fa wiem koye entempestuously ahohaciously emme kokodu ya enkwada 113 de timi age wo mu nkwante sa ankadabo krata bo hu sanke bom red alert cholera outbreak anabia diarrhea outbreak enso nyame adom drone adama yetimi age sa nkwada no nkwa eno ho nsem na wode ababetudwa e wo find the bokrata no daily guide ni and was say Freddie Blay bus and san somewhere yesi hwaje say o yesika wo he na de kwato ye na nsem bisa bebre ye wa chenti brakot ne be yiwa no na yesi Freddie Blay say won kwane ade yesi enu ade nyame ya dom e ma okoye yeti sa China ni ba bi rosewood a ye de asie na ye kra ya mfie nsan kansan sade yesi sombo yesi mema wo mo madwa kra ye mre yetimi de ye aduro ma wo mo mutimi ye kra wo mutimi wo ba mema kra wa nyina timi tutu akum aboa eme to omo abadin na nkwada China fo aba betena Ghana hetwa ababa na ye kire na wodwane ye ya san achi no bio eti wonsam de bokrata idi abase timber galamsey queen ye wo Chinese galamsey queen ne wo timber galamsey queen ye kire no ye sisese nyame adom tamale aposifo achi na wodina kwa kopie circuit court bia wo tamale Helen Wine asam na ye kan ono and was so no do police barrier bia wotua police barrier ba kopa wantua no mosem achi no ene ye momeje obetua ena police for so say na ye jekore say ye nyi bio eno enie ye sita shimra so bedwani so na ne buafu say ye demonstration say ya kwan ye nye na wakwa akosai demonstration no eti eno unya democrat ayi bia eno ye MPP mra so bedwani a wo lejekuku abaton peso so Dr. Bernard Oko boy papa yi boy adwuma pa na de na mpesa mo sa anwea digu ne nkatie mu yi mpesa mo sa Dr. Oko boy ni so ade hunu eno enie na na say right wo hu enie ma me fa graphic mum enwie okuni ni enni ha na no fa ye wa mama
newsroom story in the denimu akoda na oto ebremu no
eno de onim say Adom for multimedia for the di kanfo ti edi kan de ni nyina e ba ya akwada kama ka Robert Oko Thompson nyankopon enfa ne cry ensie yi eno enho asem nie na graphic nso achi Benin hold 10-man black squad nya no na ye hia o agro no se de esi koye no ne ye ka ho asem sa wodu wani adi matches na chi a wutumi se nra na ye bono nhada anya fesa enti black kwasi nra kwa ma hu se Crawford status o my the former Black Stars coach kwasi apia
oh omjai no
omjai no pastor set kaka we do
just have to go bye bye Vitamil Greenfield Scientific Herbal and Franco Trading Enterprise one of them so asene de Faber so Adom catch